Paiutes Trail. It goes from the visitor center up to stop 3 at the Canyon Junction, which is just up there, and it bypasses the highway. So if you have an e-bike or a regular bike, or if you want to walk, this is a great way to go back to the visitor center from stop 3 if you want to extend your visit. It's a beautiful trail. It's 1.75 miles one way. Definitely a great trail. But if you do it in reverse, if you hike from the visitor center to the stop 3 up here, the shuttle buses won't pick you up going up canyon. They only pick you up going down canyon. So keep that in mind if you think you can be sneaky and hike up from the visitor center up to stop 3. Just keep that in mind. So that's the water from Pine Creek that comes down from the Checkerboard Mesa area. Meets up right here with the Virgin River. Highway is just over there through those trees, and I think some people think that there isn't a direct trail from stop 3 to the visitor center, so many people choose to bike on the highway, which there's not really any room. There's not like a designated bike lane up there. So this way, if you have a bike or something, you can just come on this trail and bypass the entire highway and be safer over here. Another reason why I love this trail is because you can see all these really cool mountains and landmarks along this trail, like the Watchman up there. This is Bridge Mountain, and there's Crawford Arch right up there. And then, let's see, oh, the West Temple over here. And then the Sentinel. And then, oh, I thought we could see Angel's Landing, but it's just over that ledge over there. And then this is the Streaked Wall. And then around this corner, and right there is the Altar of Sacrifice. Kind of want to see the museum. It's been refurbished, so. Okay, the museum is really cool. Definitely have to come back and spend more time there and watch that movie. Maybe even buy a book. Okay, so I'm back on the Paiutes Trail. Yeah, the museum is definitely worth a stop. It's only a stop that is made going down canyon. So there's no shuttles that take you from the visitor center to the museum directly. You would have to take the shuttle all the way up to stop 4, which is Court of the Patriarchs, and then transfer to a down canyon shuttle to go to stop 2, the museum. Here's the campground. You just have to walk to the campground, and then there's the visitor center. You can actually see the roof of the visitor center from here. here I am at the southern end of the Paiutes Trail. Visitor center's just over there. All the parking's up there. Great little hike. Highly recommend it. Even if it's not, you know, a big blockbuster hike like Angel's Landing or the Narrows. I really think this is a good hike to do. That little detour to the museum took me almost 1 hour. About 2.2 miles about. And I only, let's see, total descent was almost 200 feet from the very top right here. So if you bypass the museum, much shorter of course, but I think it's great stuff.